is a great tool to do those kind of touches when I'm going through and I want to talk to 30 people, but I just don't have time. If I do 30 videos, it's incredible how much of a touch that really is, especially when they're personal to the person you're sending it to. So that's been really, really powerful as well. And then follow-up videos when somebody says something and you send a follow-up and say, hey, remember that website we were talking about or that thing we were discussing? At the end of this video, it's going to take you there. And I'll show you how Vedas has that call to action piece at the end. Next step or instructional videos. You get something under contract is a good example, and you're talking to your seller and you say, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, we now have your home under contract. Here's what's going to happen next. They're going to start doing inspections. You need to start packing, blah, 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 right? So it's a great next step tool as well, or instructional videos. If you wanted to show somebody how to use your app or use your website to search, this tool has a record screen part of it as well. Call to action campaigns to do, I know a lot of realtors like to do for sale by owner campaigns. And we all know that the average realtor only calls for sale by owners about 3 to 4, maybe 5 weeks. Most FSBOs don't list until the 6th or 8th week of having it out there. And so if you had a campaign and everything that you had a call to action that had something of value to it. So let's say the first video was, hey, I'm not trying to list your house, but I noticed I'd like to come over and see it because I'm an expert in your neighborhood. And at the end of this video, it's going to send you a seller's disclosure because everyone needs one just in case you didn't have one. Boom, you fire off the video. The next week, you have another video with a call to action that has something of value, and you keep doing that. If you set all those up and all you had to do was hand it over to your assistant and say, here's a new FSBO, send this video now and send this one next week, it'd be an incredible system.